Welcome to the Oaks on 37. We are family owned and operated. Building a tiny home community is not for the faint of heart. We just knew that there needed to be some really nice, upscale, affordable housing for people here. Most of our residents, their electric bill is under $50 a month. A lot of people think tiny home living, tiny everything. That's not the case. In a secluded area, we have 30 tiny homes. So it's kind of unique because it's its own little space. It's surrounded by oak trees, so you feel like you're all alone out there just amongst the other tiny homes. Come on in, let's check out the Amenities Center.
Will you join me? Will you roll? Make this house our tiny home.
Hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to the Oaks on 37. So the Oaks on 37 is located in Mount Vernon, Texas. We are about an hour and a half east of Dallas, but we are surrounded by some of the most beautiful lakes in Texas. We have cows next door, horses that roam, and it's just like small town feel. But we have all the upscale amenities and everything nearby that you would ever need. We are family owned and operated. My dad is a retired Dallas firefighter. My mom retired from American Airlines. I was a school teacher. I grew up coming to Mount Vernon, coming to Lake Cypress Springs, and we just came to love this town. And we just knew that there needed to be some really nice, upscale, affordable housing for people here. This is actually our first tiny home community. We were in construction for about a year, and now we've been opened and running for about a year. We are unique because we are an RV resort and a tiny home community, but it's a separate space. So at the front of the property, we have 90 RV spots, but then at the back, in a secluded area, we have 30 tiny homes. And all of those lots are secluded. You will never have an RV next to you. So it's kind of unique because it's its own little space. It's surrounded by oak trees, so you feel like you're all alone out there just amongst the other tiny homes. We are actually a tiny home dealer, so you can come here and we can custom order you your Platinum Cottage, your Athens home, your Champion home. To live here at the Oaks, it has to be a certified park model, which means it's under 399 square feet and it's all certified. So here at the Oaks, you own your own tiny home, but you rent the lot here. So the lot rent is $6.99 a month, and that includes your fiber Wi-Fi, unlimited water, sewer, trash, and also you get access to all the amenities here on the property. So the swimming pool, the fitness center, the pickleball courts, the laundry center, we have bingo night, karaoke night, concerts. So all of that is stuff that you get to experience whenever you live here at the Oaks on 37. Everyone that lives with us, they love it, and they're just really thankful that they made the choice to go tiny. We have 30 acres here at the Oaks on 37. Currently, 20 of the acres is being occupied by the RV resort and in the separate tiny home community. The extra 10 acres is up front on the main highway, and that is going to be future commercial space. We're hoping to bring in a really nice fitness center, maybe a mom and pop restaurant, in talks with an urgent care to bring some medical to Mount Vernon. So as you leave the RV resort, you come down the hill and you enter the tiny home community. All of this is designated just for tiny homes. There's never RVs around here, so it's strictly tiny homes. This is a newly sold tiny home that we just sold to a resident. And as you can see, we allow custom sheds that match your home. And then we also allow the carports so that you have covering for your vehicles, especially in the Texas heat for the summer. We have 30 lots in the tiny home section. 10 of them have already been taken. So we have 20 for you to choose from. And we take care of all the setup for you. So the hooking up of the plumbing, the electric, the skirting, the permanent steps, the landscape, all of that we do for you, so you don't really have to worry about anything. We set all of our homes on concrete pads. We pour the anchor bolts into the concrete, and then the hurricane straps in the tiny homes are tied down that way. So you're very secure. You don't have to park on gravel or dirt or sand. We do all the concrete parking. Every spot comes with a 25 by 25 foot concrete pad for your parking. This is a Platinum Cottage Starling that's actually available for sale. We have some that are move-in ready that we bring in and we furnish them, set them all up, skirt them, do all the steps, so all you have to do is just bring your stuff in. You can also purchase your own tiny home from any tiny home dealer, a certified park model, and then you just bring it into the Oaks and you rent your lot, and we do all the setup for you. This is one of our Platinum Cottages Starling models. It's currently occupied by a resident, but it's going to be available on the market soon. So in here you have the galley kitchen. A lot of people love this because it gives you separation from the living space. And the best part about this is you have full-size appliances. A lot of people think tiny home living, tiny everything. That's not the case. Full-size sink, full-size range, microwave, the fridge is full-size as well. And then come on in here and check out the bathroom. In here we have a full-size shower, toilet, vanity, extra storage space up here. And then we have the washer and dryer hookup right here. A lot of residents will just put extra storage here if they don't want to have their own units in here, because we have washer and dryers on property. So they use our facilities for that and then just use this as extra storage space. So you have options. And then come on back here into the bedroom. Notice the pocket door so you're not losing space with door swings. Fits a queen size bed. One of my favorite things about this model is all of the natural light. There's big windows, so you just feel like you're living in the trees. So in here you have a mini split that keeps this whole area cool, and these things work so great. They will cool you out and for minimal cost. Most of our residents, their electric bill is under $50 a month, so super affordable and you get to stay cool. Another thing I love about the Starling is the wood ceilings, and they match the real wood floors. So really neat part of tiny home that makes it special. And then we also have a second mini split in the bedroom. So you can adjust this temperature to a certain temperature and then the bedroom separately. If you want to keep the bedroom really cool and then this not so cool, you have options.
Hi, my name is Gail. Welcome to my tiny home. So I chose to live here in this community as opposed to buying a piece of property. The older I get, I don't want to take care of my lawn. I don't want to have to bring trash out, and I don't want to have to do a lot here. They do my lawn. They take care of everything that I need. If I have something I need to be fixed, you just call them. They're down here like that. They will fix everything. For me, that's important because I'm single, I'm alone, and I just feel like they will take care of you down here. My favorite part of this community is when I drive down the hill and my neighbors are sitting out and they're sitting together. I get out of my car, I jump over there, we just have a nice little chit chat real quick. But the community is friendly. My neighbors are the best. If any of us need help, we are all there to help. We're not here to judge, we all just, you need to step in to help somebody, we step in.
Come on in, let's check out the Amenity Center. So in here we have the Clubhouse. We rent it out for birthday parties, family reunions, community gatherings. It's your space to use when you live with us here at the Oaks on 37. We also have people that set up in here and have card night. We do a lot of bingo night, karaoke night. We do potluck dinners. We have watch parties for the Dallas Cowboys and all of the college sports, so that's always a fun time. Everyone just loves to come in here and gather. This is also our safe space, so if there's ever a crazy storm out here in East Texas, everyone will huddle in here and it will just turn into a big old party in the middle of the night, because you know, all the crazy storms always happen in the middle of the night. In here we have our commercial size washer and dryer area. There's 7 commercial size washers and 7 commercial size dryers. So when you leave the Amenity Center, you'll come out and see our swimming pool. Let's go check it out. So here's our swimming area. You can come out here, hang out by the pool, bring some friends in, have a gathering, and have a good time. The special place about this area is we got the name, the Oaks on 37, from this beautiful oak tree. Whenever we saw it, we immediately knew this place had to be called the Oaks just because of that beautiful tree. This is a really neat space because you can also see the outdoor amphitheater that we have over here. So we have live music and live bands that come and play. You can go hang out over there and listen to the music, or you can hang out by the pool and still hear the music. So it's a really fun place just to hang out and gather together. Also connected to the Amenity Center is the Fitness Center. Come check it out. So we added the Fitness Center so that you're not having to go out and pay extra money for a gym membership. It's not huge, but it has all the things that you need. It has 2 commercial treadmills, an elliptical, a stationary bike, ab machines, benches, and then free weights. So it's really all you need. Here at the Oaks, we're pet friendly. We have a dog park here next to the Amenity Center, and each tiny home spot also has a huge grassy lawn. You're able to fence your yard as well. So now we're at the outdoor amphitheater. We have live music here and local bands that come at least twice a month. It's really fun. We have food trucks that come and set up, and then we all just hang out here and listen to live music. We also have the 2 pickleball courts. We've hosted pickleball tournaments for the residents, and they're just open for you to use whenever you want to come play some pickleball. So building a tiny home community is not for the faint of heart. It is a lot of work. It's a big investment, and you just really have to be committed to sticking with your original goal and your plan and just see it all the way through. There will be setbacks and challenges, but you have to just realize why you started the journey and just stick with it, and it'll all pay off.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. If you'd like to see more tiny house community tours, make sure you check out the playlist we have linked in the description, and I will see you soon with another unique home tour.